Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to do an updated tan routine using this spray tan. I've already used it a couple of times. This is new and I love it, and I want to show y'all on camera and give this a review. It's wonderful, and I especially love it because, well, first you can do it at home. I love self-tanners. I've been doing self-tanner for a little over a year now, and I have several videos on it. And so I thought I would owe it to you guys to do an updated one. Plus, this is new. Wanted to try it out. I've already tried it out, but I want to do it on camera. And I love it because you can do it at home, and because the brand is L'Oreal, and I'll show you the other products that I've used in the past, but you don't have to rub this in with like a glove or your hands or anything like that. It just sprays on, and you can keep spraying like every day until you reach the darkness you want. These are the old products that I've used in the past. This is a water mousse. This is pretty much almost empty. This is a this one's basically just a mousse, and then that's almost all out. This is almost all out. This is the shimmery lotion, and then I have a few packs of the Toilettes left that I use. That's all products I've used in the past for self-tanner, but this is my new favorite one. I'm gonna pull my hair back so I can show you. I guess I'll pull it. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull it up so I can show you guys how I spray tan, or am learning to spray tan. All the other ones were not a spray. I have been doing this on my face, but I just kind of aim it like far away and close my eyes, and I'll do like this. So basically like that. And the mirror is in front of me. I'm in my downstairs bathroom. And for the sake of this video, I'm just going to spray tan in this cami, this new cami I got from Five Below. Then I'm going to do the neck, the back of my neck, and my arms, and the top of my hands. And you just like hold it far, like about this far away, and then make sure to get all sides of your arms so that you won't have a streak in under the arms, chest. I'm probably not going to do my stomach area right now or my legs right now because I'll do that later, because it's not quite warm here yet. I can't wait for spring, can't wait for summer, but right now it is still pretty cold. So it's not warm enough to wear shorts and things like that, but I do the top of my hands, my arms, and I love this because it doesn't leave a streak, and you don't have to wipe it with your hands or anything like that. And I've had the perfect sunless tan with this. This is medium Pro Perfect Salon airbrush. You don't need a machine or anything. It's a wide angle applicator, and I love that about this spray. I mean, you can spray as much as you want to get that, and then it takes about an hour to set in, so you want to let it dry. And then if you did miss a spot, you will notice the next day, and you can go over that with your tanner. On here, it just says covers a greater area of skin, which it does at one time for easy application. No need to rub in, which I love. It dries quickly, which I love. So right now I'm just giving a review on this product, and it says develops within 2 to 4 hours. It might be 2 to 4 hours, 2 hours, about 2 hours. Because I've used it a week already, it seems like less than that. But I guess the longer you use it, the less time it'll take. And it cleanses it. You want to make sure your skin is cleansed and exfoliated, which I did last night. And if y'all want to know how I exfoliate or skincare, leave it in the comments below, and I will do a video on that for you guys. And you always want to apply moisturizer to your skin before you do this tanner. And it says use sparingly around ankles, knees, and elbows, which I did make a video. I just wanted to share some tips. I did make a video on sunless tanning tips at home. And I will link that in the cards. And then it says use daily until you have achieved your desired level of tan, then use 1 to 2 times per week to maintain your tan. Which, this is my second week. I absolutely already love, see, it's almost already dry, you guys. I absolutely love it. And I like the fact, I just love self-tanners. I love the fact I don't have to get in a tanning bed anymore to get tan. Like I said, I've been using products like these. They've been great. But so far, I can honestly say this self-tanning spray mist, it's okay if somebody wants to say hi. It's my favorite. Nyla wants to say hello. Say hi to all my subscribers and viewers. This is our cat, Nyla. And she's a talkative girl sometimes. Yeah. She's so cute. She's only 6 months old, you guys. We love her so much. She's got food, water, fresh litter box, fresh litter. I think she's just wanting attention. But yeah, I highly recommend this tanner. You guys go and give it a try. It is wonderful. I purchased this. Where did I find this at? Walmart. I found this at Walmart, and I was super happy because I have not tried any spray tan at all, and I am super happy with this purchase. So yeah, you guys go check it out. Look, it's already dry. I'm already dry. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.